Greetings from MSSC. Today we will look at a common error experienced by our users. We will walk through the actions to correct this error. The error experienced is, your current message was not designed for the printhead you have connected. This common issue is a mismatch between the actual printer connected to your controller and the design template. First, let us see this error in action by clicking the green play button in the top right corner of the controller software. This triggers a response of incorrect printhead. Accept the error by clicking OK. Please take note of the lower right-hand corner of the controller screen. Notice the small green printer icon just above your ink level in milliliters. The icon will have text identifying the printer that is attached to the controller. In this instance, this is a Pro printhead. Now that you know what you have connected, it is time to change the design template to match. Once the template and printer match, the printer will print as expected. From this screen, please click on the design icon in the ribbon at the top of the window. With your design screen open, notice the text on the left side of the ruler. In our example, the design software identifies that this template is designed to run on the Reach printhead. However, in our situation, there is a Pro printhead attached to our controller. Now we will correct the mismatch. Please click the new document icon in the upper left corner of the ribbon on the design software screen. A window called New Edit pops up. Now the software automatically takes notice of the actual head attached to the controller. Under printhead type, you will notice that Head 1 and Head 2 are listed as Pro printheads. Simply click Edit. The automatic changes that were made by the software to the head type will now be assigned to your template as Pro printheads. Now click on the disk icon to save your changes. Once the save has completed, click OK. Please return to the home screen by clicking on the red house icon at the top right of the ribbon in the design software. Once you are at your home screen, you will notice a difference. Look closely at the graphics template. All the red, error indicating lines, have now been removed from the graphics template. When you are ready to print, click the play button at the top right corner of the home screen ribbon. Notice that the printer mismatch error no longer pops up. That completes this tech short. We hope this helps anyone experiencing this issue. Check out our other videos and be on the lookout for more MSSC tech shorts for help with common printing issues. Happy printing!